Put $1 on a piece of green cloth, look at what happens. Many people associate witches with Halloween or with horror movies. A good number of television shows about witches have become popular in recent years. Some are comedies. Others are a little more daring and mysterious. But have you ever thought that your neighbor next door could be a real witch? A survey conducted in the year 2000 estimates that more than 750,000 witches and pagans live in Latin America. Most witches practice an ancient belief system called Wicca that has its roots in Europe. Wicca is a land religion. The earth is considered sacred, as well as many of its natural objects like plants and herbs, precious stones and metals. A witch uses the energy of these natural objects to make all kinds of amulets, love potions and cast spells. They recite the spells and incantations to attract money, prosperity and protection. Contrary to common belief, sorcerers and witches do not practice black magic. One of the most sacred virtues of this culture is to do no harm to anyone. How to have good luck and the money? To attract money into your life, you must make a small bag with a square piece of green cloth. Above the cloth you will put some gold or silver jewelry, coins or even a ticket will work. It is important that it be something that symbolizes money and wealth. Also place a twig of cinnamon on the fabric to give it the quality of attracting money to your bag. Pick up the ends of the fabric and close the bag with a green thread. Indicate your intentions in the form of a sentence or spell. You must be as specific as you can when asking for financial blessings in your life. Place the bag outside for a day to absorb the energy of the sun. Now she's ready to take her with you. Place the small bag in your pocket, purse or purse. If you own a business, you can put it on the cash register.